Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post weekly videos about all things Redbubble and print on demand. In today's video, I'll be filming one of my favorite type of videos, which is looking at your shops and then buying from them. So if you didn't see, I asked all of my subscribers for their shop links if they wanted to be considered in this video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see future posts like that so that you can be considered for my next video I film like this. So this video is going to be all about me buying your stickers. So I haven't done one of these in a very long time and I actually miss doing these because I absolutely love getting my sticker packs in the mail and unboxing them and just seeing what the stickers look like in person and just like collecting them and putting them on my laptop. So I thought I was overdue for another one of these and I think this is gonna be my third one. So I've kind of run out of room on my laptop. Here, I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like right now. There's just like a few spots I want to fill up. Well, I guess like 1, 2 pretty much that I want to fill up. And then my sister has been asking about these stickers a lot because she really likes a lot of them. So I'm going to keep an eye out for some for her and then also some for my boyfriend, maybe for Christmas. So you guys can't watch this video if you're watching right now, just click off, I guess. So yeah, we'll see what we find. And then I'm always looking for more stickers too, just to like put on random things in my house. So maybe I'll find something for myself as well. But if you guys want to see if I bought stickers from your shop, then make sure to keep on watching to the end of this video. All right, so just like my other videos, I'm going to shop on screen with you guys so you guys can see my live shopping and what I end up picking. So let's get into that right now. First shop we have here is Teepublic. And I'm just gonna take a quick look at their sticker category and see what they have. Oh, these are some nice stickers. Some lettering. Oh, not too many designs here. This koala one's kind of cute. Yeah, these are nice, but nothing that I'm looking for in particular. So I'm going to move on to the next shop. Okay, so this cute cat sticker sushi pack, you guys obviously know I have to add that to my cart, and surprisingly it's actually not even gonna be for me this time. It's gonna be for my sister because I already have sushi stickers and I know she wanted one, so I'm gonna add that for her. Honestly, I might add 2 of those, one for my boyfriend too because he also loves sushi. So yeah, I'm gonna add 2. Okay, moving on to the next store, we have Karen Alva. I kind of like this honey one. I'm gonna add that to my cart and then decide later if I'm gonna get it. Oh, actually this peach one beats it, so I'm gonna add that to the cart. Ooh, the strawberry milk one is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna add that and then I'm gonna narrow all this down. Don't worry, guys. Okay, I probably already have way too much from this store. Oh, you guys know I'm a sucker for anything cute and food and animal related, so this store is... Okay, thank God they don't have more designs because I probably would have added more to my cart. But I think that's enough from this store for now. But love your shop, Karen Alva. Okay, so next we have RM Kiraraton. I'm not sure how to say that, sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Okay, so this is kind of a cute little pattern. I'm gonna add that to my cart. I feel like it's gonna be a bit big for laptop wise, but I don't know, it's pretty cute. Okay, that's it from there, so let's move on to the next one. Ooh, I like this banner. So we have Nabil, and let's look at your stickers. Oh, I already know I'm gonna love this gingerbread one when I see it. Wow, these are so good, all these watercolor ones. Do you actually make these yourself? Because they're amazing. I think I might get a Christmas tree actually since it's Christmas and it's festive. Oh, the gingerbread. Okay, I'm gonna get a gingerbread sticker. Let's move on to the next one. Loved your shop. Now let's go on to the next one, Choice Matters 3. Let's see what you have for us. These Christmas letters are pretty cute. Ooh, this flower is nice. Oh, I like this blue flower, even though that's not very different from what I would normally go for. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're done with this store, so let's go on to the next one. The next one we have is Lolo Queen, so let's see what you have. Ooh, this koala bear sleeping is pretty cute. I'm gonna add that. I kind of like this little penguin guy too. I feel like you could add the stickers onto presents when you're wrapping them. I think that's cute. Okay, it's probably not from this shop before I get carried away. Let's go on to Badass Feminist. Okay, so this has a lot of quotes. This koala one's cute too. Okay, didn't really find anything here, but super cool quotes and nice designs too. Oh, I already have a cherry blossom one, but that one's super cute. Oh, this one's cute too. Oh, and that's all they have. Okay. Love your stuff, but I feel like I've already ordered similar stuff before, so maybe next time. Okay, now we have Pop Velvet. Ooh, this is cool. It's kind of like collages, I guess. Let me see what they have. Okay, adding the sushi one. Honestly, all these are really cool, but okay, sushi and cat rolls. I have to add that. All right, 2 from this store. Let's move on to Caught in a Storm. This looks like it's gonna be a lot of quotes, so I'm not sure if I'll get anything, but let's just give it a shot and see what we find. Oh, they actually have a lot of cute stuff. Okay, I'm gonna have to go for this one. I'm curious to know if the store is getting good sales with all their designs. Okay, so next we have Katya Berardino. And let's see the stickers you have. Oh, the Cinderella one's actually cute. Oh, the llamas are nice. I might get the llamas actually. Oh, the yoga poses are cool too. The shop has a lot of good colors going. I feel like they really go together well. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have Hillary Moore. Ooh, I like this wave one. I think I'm gonna add that to my shop. Oh, I'll have to get a SpongeBob and Patrick one. My boyfriend loves SpongeBob. Okay, I'm gonna try to speed this video up a little bit because I feel like I'm taking so long on stores. So this store is called Cat Shirt Magic, so I already know I'm probably gonna buy something from here. So let's see what they have. These are a lot of funny designs. A lot of cute designs. Oh, this one's cute. Loaf. Oh my gosh, I have to get this one. My sister and I had a family cat that we would always call her Soph Loaf. And she passed away unfortunately because she had cancer, but yeah, this kind of like reminds me of her because it says loaf, so I'll give this one to my sister. Let me go on to the next one. We have Earth Boho. Let's see what stickers you have. I like that it's all kind of in the same color theme. It's definitely very cohesive. I didn't like a couple of these, but let me see what else they have until I decide on one. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Okay, here we have Mimosa Designs. And let's look at their stickers. I might get the tarot card for my sister. She's into that. Oh, I think these are the mushrooms I used from Canva too for my designs. It's funny. Ooh, these cherry blossoms are cute. Actually, I might get those ones instead for my sister. Okay, I'm gonna go on to the next store. I like this banner a lot. We have Caroline Canis. Not too many stickers, but this baby hedgehog is pretty cute. I'm gonna add that. Then we have V Pesagno. Oh, some more cute sushi ones. And I'll add that one too and maybe replace one of the ones I already put in. The gingerbread are cute. Okay, next we have Elegant Design. All these shops are seriously amazing. Like all this artwork, especially if, you know, people actually make a lot of this stuff themselves, is amazing. This frog one's kind of funny. I'm gonna get that one from my boyfriend. Let's see what else there is. These happy fruits. Yeah, I'm gonna get these happy fruits. I like those. Okay, so next we have Cassidy Alexis, and I think this is the last shop that I'm going to be looking at for today. So let me see. There's one last thing I can add to my bag. The Santa one's pretty funny. Although I think I got enough Christmas things, so yeah, I'm not gonna get anything today, but I do like all these ones that you have. Alright, so that was another successful sticker shopping session, and I can't wait to receive all those in the mail. And of course, I'll do an unboxing for you guys once those get here so that you guys can see what they look like in person. I was also fortunate enough to partner with Redbubble again to order some more things from my own shop. So I'm actually going to order all the stuff off camera this time so that you guys don't know what's coming, and then unbox it for you guys on camera just like I did last week or the week before. I'll link that video here if you guys want to watch that. So yeah, I have another one of those videos coming soon as well. I'm gonna try to order different products than I ordered last time just so I can test the quality and see, you know, as many products as I can. I'm thinking maybe leggings because I don't know, I've always been curious about like their clothing items, and I don't know what else, I'll have to see. But if you guys have any recommendations or products that you're curious to see the quality about, then leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try to buy some of those items as well so that you guys can see the actual quality in person. And Redbubble also extended my discount code for my own shop, so if you guys are looking to shop for the holidays or for any other reason, you can use the code in my description bar for any items on my shop to get 15% off. But that's all I had planned for this video, so give it a like if you enjoyed seeing me shop for stickers, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos that I post, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!